Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we will explore SoFi in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, and now we're here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has classified SoFi as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.9. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 37.35% since we initially recommended purchasing SoFi 26 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.44% each day since it was categorized as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation may represent a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $10.21 will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 22.25% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 5.72% to 24.31%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a negative 5.19% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 42.30% and negative 3.89%. This translates to a price range of $5.79 to $9.65 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, SoFi stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to hold accumulate after Wednesday trading session. The SoFi stock price decreased by 1.38% on the last day, Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, dropping from $10.18 to $10.04. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.19%, with a low of $9.91 and a high of $10.33. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and has risen by 20.88% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume declined on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should ideally follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 39 million shares, with a total of 48 million shares traded for approximately $477,430,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $10.49, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price is 4.29% or 45 cents below the 52-week high and 64.47% or $18.22 below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price was $28.26. SoFi Technologies has recently made headlines, significantly impacting investor sentiment and stock performance. Just yesterday, the company announced a notable financing deal of $2 billion with Fortress Investment Group, which is expected to enhance liquidity and accelerate growth by allowing SoFi to manage loan debt more effectively. This strategic move has already boosted SoFi's stock, with shares soaring 11.4% to $10.04, its highest point since January. Such momentum suggests that further upside could be on the horizon, especially with positive revisions in earnings estimates. Additionally, SoFi's collaboration with a new partner is seen as a validation of its underwriting process, helping to alleviate investor concerns regarding lending operations in the current economic climate. This partnership not only strengthens SoFi's market position, but also enhances its credibility as a leading digital bank. In the short term, these developments have the potential to attract more investors, pushing the stock towards new highs. Long term, if SoFi can maintain its growth trajectory and effectively offload loan debts, it may close the performance gap from its peak in mid-2021. As the company builds on this momentum, analysts remain optimistic that SoFi could chart a path back towards substantial valuations, with targets suggesting a return to levels around $15 per share. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, it was reported that Keefe, Bruyette & Woods assigned SoFi a market perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Goldman Sachs provided SoFi with a neutral rating along with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods also rated SoFi as underperform with a hold recommendation. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Needham rated SoFi as market perform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 9th of July, 2024, Barclays assigned SoFi an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as sell, along with the price-to-book ratio. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have similarly issued a sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The SoFi stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at $9.27 and $8.05. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, October 15, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 1.38%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggested a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggested a buy signal 27 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 41 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average displayed a sell signal 30 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 35 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for SoFi. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's price from accumulated trading volume at $8.03 and $7.83. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, SoFi has support at $8.03. If this is broken, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at $7.83 and $7.54. The stock is prone to significant daily movements, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 415 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low points, which is a change of 4.19%. Over the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.97%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can have challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could raise concerns about bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 29th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 4 cents. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoFi is $10.18. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoFi encounters its first support level at $8.03. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi from multiple analyst sources is a recommendation to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of September, 2024, Eric Schopenhauer conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the same day, Eric Schopenhauer also executed an insider purchase of 891,694 shares of restricted stock units. On the 23rd of September, 2024, Kelly Keough conducted an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Jeremy Reschel executed an insider sale of 68,081 shares of common stock. On the 16th of September, 2024, Derek J. White conducted an insider sale of 148,403 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 49.866. In total, insiders purchased 8,725,446 shares and sold 27,713,307 shares during these 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.65, reflecting a decrease of 3.86%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. The relative strength index, measured over 14 periods, is at 83, which considerably heightens the risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? SoFi displays several positive indicators. However, we do not deem these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At this moment, it is better viewed as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate stance since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the latest trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of October, we anticipate SoFi to open at approximately 0.0517 cents and begin trading at around $10.09. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.